On Animal Planet's The Most Extreme. Number 10.
The whale shark is a specialized filter feeder. As it cruises through the sea, it opens those massive jaws and sucks in water. Sieves around its gills strain plankton from 250,000 gallons of water every hour. That's more than enough to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. The whale shark is number 10 in the countdown because unlike the basking shark and other filter feeders, it can drag bigger, more active fish into its mouth thanks to its super suction system.
Number 9.
Meet the angel shark. Scientists have discovered that the angel shark can lie motionless for days, waiting until it sees something bite-sized swim overhead. The angel shark is number 9 in the countdown because it relies on little more than camouflage and surprise to catch its prey, unlike the sharks coming up in the countdown.
Number 8.
More than 280 species of fish can vibrate the air in their swim bladders to make noises that can be used for anything from mating calls to alarm signals. Just making a rapid movement underwater can generate a sound wave. And that's like ringing the dinner bell for the animal gliding into number 8 in the countdown, the silky shark. All sharks have superb hearing, but experiments have shown that the best ears in the business belong to the silky shark. It can hear you swimming from over 1/4 mile away. And what's more, it can easily identify the direction of the sound, unlike humans.
Number 7.
It's easy to see how the ragged-toothed shark got its name. Also called the sand tiger shark, it's popular in aquariums because it looks so ferocious. In the wild, the ragged tooth spends the day resting in caves. It comes out at night to hunt using only the light of the moon and stars. The ragged-toothed shark is number 7 in the countdown because its natural mirrors can reflect up to 90% of some colors back into the retina, giving it a much sharper image and a competitive edge when hunting in almost complete darkness.
Number 6.
The Greenland shark can grow to be more than 20 feet long and is so sluggish that it's also been called the sleeper shark. But looks can be deceiving because this shark can still catch fast-moving prey like salmon. And what's even more remarkable is that some sharks do so when they're almost completely blind, thanks to the work of a parasite. That small dangling thing on the shark's eyeball is actually a parasitic crustacean that feeds by scraping away at the cornea of the eye. But luckily, this doesn't affect the shark as much as it would other animals. The Greenland shark is number 6 in the countdown because this hunter has always relied on its super sophisticated sense of smell to sniff out its prey in the darkness.
Number 5.
The next contender in our countdown of extreme sharks is even scarier than an emergency landing at sea. Getting out of the plane is just the first of your problems, because it won't take long for an oceanic white-tipped shark to arrive out of the blue. It's number 5 in the countdown, because it has an uncanny ability to be able to sniff out a meal not just in the water, but in the air.
Number 4.
So far in the countdown, we've seen sharks with an array of super senses. But what's the point of being able to find your prey if you can't catch it? Our next contender solves this problem by being one of the fastest fish in the sea. It's the mako shark, perhaps the ultimate example of underwater efficiency and power. These marine biologists are on a fishing trip with a twist. They're trying to find out just how fast the mako can move by towing a specially baited camera. At this speed, no ordinary shark could keep up. But the mako is no ordinary shark. It powers in at number 4 in the countdown because it can swim at more than 30 miles per hour. Faster than we can sprint on dry land. Its powerful tail provides the thrust, and its streamlined shape minimizes the area exposed to oncoming water, which reduces the amount of drag.